Hey, how's it going? This is a really quick video on the differences between the JDM fog light wiring and the US fog light wiring on Supras. So my car has a JDM VVTi motor in it, turbo motor, and for some reason it came, when I bought it, used with a JDM fog light harness, and I had only owned US Supras before, so this thing kind of confused me a little bit when I first saw it. My fog lights weren't working, and it turns out that this wasn't even connected to anything. It was just kind of plugged into the headlight, and I really had no idea what this was. This is the DRL light stock. The bulb plugs into this end on a JDM car, and there's like a little extra bulb housing inside of the JDM headlight for daytime running lights. This thing that plugs into the actual H3 bulb is the same on the US, but the problem is this harness connector right here on the JDM cars is a triangle shape with three terminals on it. So this does not actually plug into the vehicle wiring harness at all. So this was just kind of sitting in the headlight area without being plugged in. This was in just to seal it off, but like this light power connector was not connected to anything. So yeah, the US model part number basically doesn't have this thing on it. It only has this, and then this is a two-prong connector which plugs into the US vehicle wiring harness. So I bought the part online. You need two of them. It might say right hand or driver's side or passenger side, but they're the same part. So I'll put that in the description and put a photo in it. But yeah, once you connect the US part, which has two prongs, to your vehicle, you can just plug this thing in, rewire it just the way it came, just copy the wiring, and then you can use a regular H3 55 watt bulb or LED bulb in your headlight. And this is probably going to be useful if you ended up with a JDM car and you want to upgrade the headlights to 97, 98 style or something of that nature. Okay, see ya, bye.